Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make images move without using those animation options. As you can see, you can do a lot of animations on images, but what I want to show you is actually how you can change it yourself. So you uploaded your image and you want to scale it differently. So you click on your basically on your image you want to edit, then you're gonna go on basic right here, and there is a transform button right here. So as you can see, the scale is now 100 and you want to add that keyframe right here. Click on that and let's position it like that. And now at the end, let's make a scale smaller. So for example, or make it like a zoom option and leave it like that. Now when this video will go, as you can see, it will zoom into this image. So that's how you do that. Now you want to go to your another image. What you can do is actually let's add a keyframe and position and make it something like that. And now at the end, you want to again add a keyframe, but we want to add it right here. And now through the whole video, the image is moving from one corner to another. So yeah, guys, that's how you do this. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.